We're just swapping a couple cameras from LTS to Verkada and fixing, troubleshooting a couple things out here. Right now, we already got the box hung, tested the wire, everything's good. We're getting ready to hang this license plate reader for the front. So we got some kind of networking issues over here. The color scheme on there was something that I'd never seen before, and it's blinking twice orange, going back and blinking blue, and that's letting us know that it's not pulling an IP from their DHCP server.
Chris said you want to go on lunch break.
Right now? You ain't ate enough this morning? Plugged it into the network. It was unplugged on their side because they were saying once it's plugged in, all the other cameras will go down. Keep going, a little bit more, tighten it. Yep, good, good. For all you people that leave that out on an outdoor camera, all bad, not Verkada certified, okay? Trying to swing over the machines here. This is not gonna be an easy switch. We're gonna have to make a patch cable because this wire is so short. We're gonna need a keystone and a RJ45. All right, buddy. Just enrolling a couple cameras here that we installed in their bottling room. Other way, you went the wrong way. Whoa, right, oh, go back. Wait, no, go back. Keep going back, the same way. Go back the other way. Right, keep going. No, you were right, just keep going. That way right there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there, right back. You stop. Too far, way too far. Just keep fucking go. Keep fucking go. I'm saying stop and he goes 2 more times. So now you need to go the other way to get it. Keep going. All right, stop right there. Not that way, the other way. The other way, yes. A hair more. Just a hair more that way. A hair, just keep going. Just an inch a little bit more. Right there, good, perfect. We had 2 cameras here before in the bottling room, but they weren't Verkada. So we went ahead and took those out, swapped them out for Verkadas, got everything done. We got a small troubleshooting job left here, and then we'll be out of here until next time.